I was looked at as a misfit. I was 14 years old in a salon, renting my chair. There's a real responsibility to the people that sit in their chair that they could talk to you, unleash their secrets. It was like, do these people know I'm 14 years old? My name is Julian and I'm the founder and CEO of Adwoa Beauty, a gender-neutral, modern, clean hair care brand for textured hair. We had our head down building the brand, doing the work. We weren't really seeking retailers. So when Sephora came calling 2 years later, it was surreal. They found us online through their Sephora Noir group. Sephora has been doing the work to find Black-owned brands that they could incubate and grow long before they took a 15% pledge. I decided to step on faith and sign up with Sephora. I was born in West Africa, Liberia. I immigrated to the United States after my father passed away, and we settled in Staten Island, New York. You know, the typical immigrant story, my mom coming to the country, not knowing anybody. It was really tough for us. I definitely attribute my work ethic to my mom. Her primary responsibility in her head was to put food on the table. In 1986, I didn't have permanent resident status along with my mom. And I couldn't get a job because I didn't have a work permit. So I had to figure out how I was gonna be able to make money so that I could help myself and my mom. I became friends with the biggest hairstylist in the neighborhood. And eventually I would start doing people in the community. I start charging $10, $15, $20, depending on what it was. And around about 14, I decided that I could make money from this. I enrolled in a vocational high school to take up cosmetology so that I could become licensed. So that's what I did. Adwoa Beauty was born out of frustration with how I saw Black women being represented. As the natural hair industry progressed, I really wanted to focus on scalp care. I sought ingredients that did just that at the highest levels. We use 3 different mints: peppermint, wintergreen, and spearmint. We're the only ones that do that. And so we launched Adwoa Beauty. I was numb when I saw my product on Sephora's shelf for the first time because I'm a bootstrap Black-owned brand, and we couldn't get a loan from anywhere. After so much hard work, you just are happy to breathe. It's overwhelming. Even being there now and looking at Adwoa Beauty on shelf amongst million-dollar brands, having a seat at that table, it makes me so proud. My mom always sowed seeds of success into me, so I know that she's very proud. All of this is for her to realize that her hard work and her sacrifices paid off.